Pat, a small boy with a laugh as big as his imagination, stood at the top of the steepest slide in Sunny Park. His best friend, Gus, a whirlwind of energy with perpetually untied shoelaces, was already at the bottom, yelling, "Go, Pat, go." Pat took a deep breath. "Operation Super Slide," he declared, and launched himself down. The wind rushed past his ears, his cheeks flapped like tiny flags, and his stomach did a little flip-flop. He zoomed off the end of the slide, landing with a soft plop in the sand. "Again!" Gus shouted, already halfway up the steps. This went on for a while. Pat slid, Gus cheered, and the sand pit got more and more impressive with their landing craters. Then Pat had an idea. "Gus," he yelled, "what if we make ourselves go super-duper fast?" Gus's eyes lit up. "How? We'll get a running start," Pat explained, so they backed up to the very edge of the grassy hill leading to the slide. "Ready?" Pat asked. "Set," Gus replied. "Momentum," they both yelled and ran, legs pumping, arms windmilling straight for the slide. Pat hit the slide first, a blur of blue shots and giggles. But this time he didn't just slide, he flew. He was going so fast that when he reached the end, he didn't just land in the sand. He bounced. Boing! He bounced right over the sand pit, over a discarded picnic blanket, and landed gently in misses. Periwinkle's prize-winning petunias. "Oops," Pat said, his face covered in purple petals. Gus, who had followed close behind, was even faster. He launched off the slide like a tiny rocket. Whiz, he shot past Pat, past misses. Periwinkle's petunias, and landed headfirst, luckily in a very soft way, right in the middle of the duck pond. A very surprised duck quacked loudly. Gus emerged, dripping wet, with a lily pad on his head like a silly hat. "Wow," Gus said, spluttering. "That was a lot of momentum." Pat, picking a petunia off his nose, giggled. "Yeah, it's like the more we run, the harder it is to stop." Misses. Periwinkle, who had appeared looking quite cross, suddenly burst out laughing when she saw Gus. "Well, boys," she said, trying to sound stern but failing, "it seems you've discovered the power of momentum, and also the importance of knowing when to stop." From that day on, Pat and Gus still loved the slide, but they always remembered their momentum adventure. And sometimes, if you listened closely, you could hear them whisper, "Ready, set, momentum," right before a thrilling, but slightly less floral, landing.